SB19, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Hanggang ngayon ay hindi pa rin mawala-wala ang pangarap at may pag-asa pa rin ang lahat ng 18 na sana makapasok at makatuntong ang SB19 sa Grammy Awards ng Amerika. Sana ay makaperform at manominate ang ilan sa mga kanta ng ating mahalima sa mundo ng Grammy sa US. Hanggang ngayon, may mga manifestation pa rin ating nakikita at nababasa sa mga social media, lalo na sa Facebook. At ito nga, ayon sa post ng isang certified 18 na si Annie Bravo, "The time is now. Mahalima, Pablo, Stel, Ken, Joss, and Justin have spent years pouring their blood, sweat, and tears into music. And through God's grace, they will receive the ultimate prize, the Grammy Awards. From a small room in Manila to dominating international stages, SB19 has proven time and time again that they are not just targeting the Grammys, they have the undeniable credential to back it up. Let's scream their historic achievements loud enough for Recording Academy voting members in the back." Naalala ko at napanood ko dati na ang pangarap talaga ng SB19 ay makatuntong at makaperform sa Grammy. Yun talaga ang pinaka-ultimate dream nila, ang makapag-perform ng powerful dances, sing, monster voices para sa mga 18 sa buong mundo at lalo na sa mga banyaga na humahanga din sa kanila. SB19 doesn't just enter chart, they break them. Their masterpiece album Wakas at Simula shattered global glass ceilings. Billboard domination, Damn debuted at number 1 on the Billboard World Digital Song Sales Chart, and the track Wakas secured at number 9 spot. J-pop market breakthrough, they became the first ever Filipino act to enter the Billboard Japan Top Album Sales Chart, debuting straight at number 17. Worldwide iTunes sweep, the album peaked at number 3 in the worldwide iTunes album chart, hit the top 10 on US iTunes, and went number 1 in 16 different countries. O diba, medyo marami na rin ang achievement ng ating mahalima. Dagdag pa ni Annie Bravo, "The Grammys already know exactly who SB19 is. The boys have been on their radar for years. Grammy Global Spin Standards can absolutely cleared with his performance of Bulan on the official Grammy Global Spin Series, followed by Joss Collins setting the stage on fire with Yoko Na. The first P-pop entries, they made history as the first ever Filipino pop group to have their masterpieces like Legendary, Gento especially accepted for Grammy consideration in the voting ballots. Nakarating na pala ang kanta ni Joss Collins na Yoko Na at Bulan ni Philip sa Grammy. At itong Gento, parang for Grammy consideration on the voting ballots pala. Noon, itong ginto na viral sa buong mundo. While executing some of the hardest high-intensity choreography in the pop industry, SB19 delivers immaculately stable, crisp, and pitch-perfect live vocals without relying on backing tracks. Despite this pure, raw vocal power, the group remains deeply humbled by the global response to their music, treating critical praise as motivation to keep refining their craft. They are taking over the world to completely independent artists under their own label, 1Z Entertainment. Lollapalooza pioneers the new one this coming July na yan. They will make history as the first ever P-pop group to perform at Lollapalooza in Chicago, introducing their fearless sound to a massive mainstream global festival audience. At heto pa ang mga qualification na deserve maging Grammy performer ang SB19. Sold out North American tours from Los Angeles and San Francisco to Temecula and multiple cities across Canada. They have proven their massive international touring power by selling out venues packed with screaming fans. Summer Sonic showstoppers, breaking boundaries in the highly competitive J-pop landscape. They will deliver an explosive high-octane set of Summer Sonic in Tokyo, proving to massive festival crowds that their live stage presence will be universally undeniable. Another remarkable credential that deserves recognition is SB19 music is deeply rooted in their own artistry. Many of their songs are self-written and co-produced by Pablo, showcasing not only their performance abilities but also their creative vision and musical authenticity. SB19 Journey is masterclass in what happens when undeniable talent meets relentless independence. They have already rewritten the rulebook for Filipino artists in the global stage, whether a nomination comes tomorrow or in the near future. One thing is set on stone, SB19 has already proven they possess the caliber, the drive, and the artistry of true global icons. O diba? Very well said. O 'di ba, naalala ko noon na una kong nakita, first time kong napanood, napakinggan ang performances ng BTS sa Grammy at sabi ko nga sa sarili ko, hala mga Chinito, mga Asian, ang naisip ko Chinese. Pero habang tumatagal, lagi silang nag-guest sa mga American Music Awards, Music Festival. Yun pala, BTS sila. At nalaman ko din, bago lang yun eh. Nalaman ko na marami silang fans. Army ang tawag sa kanilang mga fans. At habang tumatakbo ang panahon, habang umuusbong yung P-pop culture natin, of course, ng Pilipinas, at una kong nakilala at nakikita ang SB19. So habang napanood ko yung BTS sa mga award na mga American Music Award, naiisip ko, kayang gawin ng SB19 ang ginagawa ng BTS sa harap ng mga American fans at mga celebrity. Talagang kaya nating panindigan 18, SB19, 1Z Entertainment, kayang gawin ng SB19 ang kayang gawin ng BTS sa mga music festival sa Amerika. O di ba? Kaya yan. Kaya. Ang problema lang ay kailan kaya qualified naman ang ating Malima na mag-perform sa pinakamalaking music award event sa Amerika, ang Grammy, at pangarap ng mga boys yan, SB19. At sabi ko rin sa sarili ko, kayang mag-English ng SB19 ang BTS, minsan may translator sila. Dahil sila'y nakakaintindi, sila'y nakakanta ng English, pero hindi nakapagsalita ng diretso, ng tuloy-tuloy. Kasi may pitik ang SB19 kung paano mag-moves, paano i-intro, paano magbigay ng malaking powerful voices, monster voices na kung saan mamangha ang mga fans. Kayang-kayang gawin nila yan. At I think yun ang lamang ng SB19 kumpara sa BTS. Sabi nila, kaya ng SB19 na maging BTS. Hindi daw dapat ganun. Ang dapat daw, kayang marating at maabot ng SB19 ang narating ngayon ng BTS. Kasi as far as I know, as far as I witness, ang SB19 kayang gawin na ang mga fans, ang mga listeners nila ay maging hyper at wild sa pamamagitan ng kanilang kanta, performances, at syempre mga vocals.